There's a kind of funny story behind the Cobb salad, and nobody knows if it's true or not, but it's a hilarious story. So the story is that back in the 30s in Hollywood, there was a restaurant called the Hollywood Brown Derby Restaurant, and it was owned by a guy named Bob Cobb. Like seriously, his name was Bob Cobb. And the story goes that Bob Cobb had not eaten all day, so he went into the kitchen at midnight and he started like digging around, and he just found a bunch of random leftovers and he threw them all in a bowl and ate it, and that became the Cobb salad. And that's one of the reasons that the Cobb salad is so cool. It's literally, at its roots, made out of anything you want, anything that's like sitting around. This is a great salad you can use to clean out your refrigerator if you've got extra meat, extra cheese, extra eggs, extra juice, extra anything. One thing in particular that I love about this salad is it can be made perfectly with a grocery store rotisserie chicken. Now, I like to make my own chicken at home, but come on, we all get busy. I know how it is. And like sometimes the call of the rotisserie chicken is just too much. They smell amazing, they taste amazing. If you end up with one of those around and it's like half eaten, like this is a great way to use up the rest of it. You just shred the meat and toss it in your salad. Now this is a super hearty salad, like you will be stuffed afterwards. This is not like a side salad. This is not a like, I don't like salad, it feels like rabbit food kind of salad. This is like a hearty man salad or a hearty woman salad or a salad that'll, as they say, put hair on your chest. So this is a big meaty salad with bacon and eggs in it, but you can totally substitute them out if you're a vegetarian or vegan. Instead of using bacon, you can easily use melted butter or extra virgin olive oil for the vinaigrette. And if you want to sub out the eggs, you can easily use tofu or tempeh. This is a composed salad, meaning it's supposed to be pretty. So when we put it together, we're gonna put some extra effort into how it looks. And when you make the salad at home for yourself, spend a few minutes. Like it doesn't take long to make it look good. Just decide very intentionally where you wanna put the ingredients so that it looks beautiful to everybody that sits down to eat it.